Bolero. It is, you know, a bowling place. It's 6:30, you know, COVID, so everything will be closing mad early.
Keep a block on me. That's like suicide. If you play with us, got a better chance at the lottery. Call an ambulance when that chop.
Yeah, we just in the parking lot of Bolero right now. Smoking, I guess. Yes, we can.
I was...
Oh, God! We're gonna pull it hard. This like this car Stuart Little was in. The car Stuart Little. Yeah, that's it. Oh God, chill. Y'all not gonna do this tonight. Damn, you gonna hit me. No, it's not good. I can definitely taste the tequila.
Stop, really?
And the vodka, but it's good though.
I don't want to be drunk.
Well, I'm getting fucked up. Stop. She really needs to stop like that. So we done bowling and we about to go to casino next. So yeah, stay tuned. We about to come back with, you know, the casino.
They gon' have to send their best fighter for the champ. Rex, I got him. Mary, I'm popping. They keep hating, but still watching.
Yep, we're going into the Rivers Casino. It's turning into a crazy night. Where you going? Where you going? Oh, you wanna go right there? Yeah, say exit only.
Yeah, definitely so.
They changed it. Clear say. Look at my camera, so broke, but still in here. Wait, has it been like an hour yet or half an hour? He's really trying to win, like seriously. All right, we in there. Spin.
When you know when you bring the people with you, you have to give them heads.
Spin. Oh my God. You suck. We've been. Look, mine's a $16. Courtney, what's yours?
10. I went down to 10. I had 16.
Like literally, guys. She's trying to get money like you did. Well, how much did you get again? Yeah.
Yo.
Oh, he got 60.
Yo, Cora, how much did you get?
Crazy.
I gotta see.
Meanwhile, she on 66. What? And we're out of here. Yeah, and I'm spending like $26. It's over. Okay. I had came up 20 extra, but I lost that shit. This is wow. It's really fat.